Did you know that Excel is celebrating its 40th birthday this year? I'm going to talk about one of my favorite Excel features, dynamic charting. Specifically, how to make charts dynamic using data in tables. My name is John Peltier, and I'm celebrating my 25th year as a most valuable professional. My company, Peltier Technical Services, does custom Excel work for clients. It sells VBA-powered add-ins that help people use Excel more efficiently, and it provides training in charting, VBA, and other Excel technologies. When a chart is based on a worksheet range, the chart is not dynamic. That is, while changing data within the range will cause the chart to update, adding data to extend the range will not cause the chart to display the larger range of data. You have to manually adjust the chart's source data range. You can make a chart dynamic by converting its source data range into a table. You can do this before creating your chart or after the chart has been populated with the data. This is easy to do. You can use the ribbon. On the Home tab, Format as Table. On the Insert tab, just Table. You can use a shortcut, Control-T. A table is a special data structure in Excel. A table has specialized formatting, built-in sorting and filtering, and a special referencing system that makes formulas easier. Most importantly, when a formula references a table, changing the dimensions of the table is reflected in that formula. Charts plot data using formulas. When your chart is based on a table, the chart's formulas become dynamic. When you add data to extend the table, the chart's formulas recognize a larger table size, so the chart will extend to plot the added data. It's automagic. Join us in celebrating Excel's 40th birthday on September 30th.